in my channel. So today I am going to be making none other than, I don't know what I'm making myself. What's it called? Scrambled eggs. I've made this obviously several times before, but I'm going to be following Alex Eager's recipe, if that's how you say her name. So yeah, shout out to you. It's called How to Cook Perfect Eggs at Home with Alex. So what she has done, she put 2 eggs back with 1 egg, and then and you're seasoning your seasoning. First you mix the egg like this, then you put salt in and you put pepper in, or whatever seasoning you guys like. I just put salt and pepper because I just want to like copy a full on recipe. And then you need your pan. I actually wished it because yeah, why would I? Not from the bottom, just from the top, if you guys can't tell, which you clearly can. And then we're gonna put butter in here, 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna put a low heat. So I haven't put the gas on yet. You don't put on straight away because yeah, why would you? Okay, so the heat should be low enough that the butter doesn't pop or sizzle or just like go crazy and like burn whatever. We just want a really low heat, or you can just use that one, but really low heat. So put the butter, but I don't do the butter now. So basically don't burn yet, and you have to like completely melt. There you go, melted. It's done. Here's the gas. More bowl. There you go, it's done now. Oh. I'm gonna hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.